So I have 3 books for you here. You have a small one, you have a medium one, and you have a big one. You can pick one.
No.
Oh, you want a big one? Okay. You won't have time to read everything tonight, but we can play with it. So in this book, you have no pictures, and it's all in English. Can I ask you, Emma, to say stop anytime you want?
Stop.
Stop right here? Okay. Can I ask you to look at the first word of the first line? Tell me when you're done.
Done.
You won't forget?
No.
Okay. Now, it would be difficult as hell to find her word in these conditions, but I'm going to try. It would be difficult as hell? As hell? Hell?
Yeah.
That's your word, hell? H-E-L-L? Yes, okay. I'm going to try something more. You know him, obviously, so maybe we can play with you. James, was it, yes?
Yeah.
James, can I ask you to take the book? You saw what she did. She took a very short word, and also it was the first word of the first line. So I'm going to give you the choice. You can take any word you want, on any line you want, on any page you want, and technically in any book you want, because she picked a book. But it needs to be a long, interesting word, so we have something to play with, okay? So I'll let you make your choice. Don't show it to me. Don't show it to anyone. And when you're happy with your word, and you know you won't forget, you can close the book. Happy? You won't forget?
Yeah.
Perfect. What you can try to do, James, is send her mentally the first letter, and you'll try to grab it in the air and write it right here with intuition. And when you're ready, James, send it, and when you're ready, you grab it and you put it right here. Interesting. That's the one I had in my mind too. If she got the right letter, it's a miracle because it's the first time. But if she's wrong, it's also a first time, so it's okay. You're warming up, okay? James, not the full word, obviously, but just the first letter. What was it?
A K.
A K. And it's amazing because she wrote exactly a K. Right here. Exactly a K. Big round of applause for Emma. Now, do you see the word in your head perfectly? Yes, as if it was written? Okay. There is a G in your word, correct?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, don't tell me, but think of the position of G in your word. Did you see that? He's not thinking, oh, it's second or 7 or 8 or something. You're thinking of the fact that it's the last letter of your word. G is at the end, correct?
Yeah.
Yes. I think, can I ask you to think of a vowel, not a consonant, but a vowel around the center of your word? I'm getting an A. There is an A in the center?
Correct.
Yes? Can I ask you, I'm going to make you work a lot, but can you think of the third letter of your word?
Mm-hmm.
Now focus on that letter and try to imagine a sea animal, something that swims, started with this letter. Do you have one in your head?
Yeah.
I'm getting a dolphin. This is correct?
Yeah.
Yeah, a dolphin. Okay, so this is a mess, so I'm gonna write it again. I think I have it. Okay, so this is my word. Okay, now for the first time, what was your word?
Kidnapping.
Kidnapping, yes. James, thank you so much for your help. Congratulations, thank you very much.